Say bye-bye to the frumpy wheels. Bye, frumpy. This is where it's at. Aero wheel cap kit. This is gonna look fantastic. I just gotta say. Bye-bye, frump. All right, I'm super excited. I got the Aero wheel cap kit in the mail. My wife got it for me as an anniversary gift. And here it is. So the frumpiness of the wheels that come with the Tesla Model 3 are disgusting. Just gotta say it. So I'm gonna play a clip right now that kind of reminds me of what I kind of discovered when I found out what was actually underneath of this. Let's roll the clip.
My God. There is a hardwood floor underneath this carpeting. Why would they do that?
You just saw the clip. That's kind of how I feel. Like when Oscar had found out that there was wood underneath the carpet, it's like, why would they cover beautiful wood with this stupid carpet in the office? So same concept here. Like, I get it. I guess this is more aerodynamic, hence why they're called the Aero wheels, but this looks so good. It's a really simple process. You just gotta pull it off. And I have like my Waxall here because underneath the frumpiness, there's griminess. You just gotta find a good spot to kind of grab to pull. It just comes right off. That's it. No tools needed. Nothing. I've driven about a little over 2,000 miles, and there isn't a whole lot of grime underneath. My hands are pretty clean underneath it. There's a whole lot of grime on the rim itself. Like if I put my finger like that, that's all that blackness on my finger. It's all that grime. So I'm gonna grab a terry cloth or microfiber cloth, sorry. And let's just see. The other one, when I was pulling it off, it was all black. Easy. So you got each center cap, and then you also have these things here that'll just kind of cover up each lug nut. So let's go with the first wheel. Pretty simple. And this is genuine Tesla one. Cost about 50 bucks. So just like that, snap it right in. And each one just gets covered. You know, the beauty about this is there's no tools required. So it's a pretty nice and simple process. And then the other thing that's included in the box is this little tool here, this black tool. That'll actually help you pull the lug covers off, but I feel like you can just grab it with your finger and just pull it off. It's pretty simple. This thing, I'm gonna use like a suction cup. I have like an iFixit kit. That'll just put the suction cup there and just pull it right out, because I don't know how else to grab it out of there. But I mean, that looks good. So I'm gonna show a before and after of what that wheel looks like. So you saw what it looked like before with the frump. No longer looks like that anymore. It looks good. These are 18-inch rims, and I would always prefer these. Having a little bit of a sidewall is nice, especially, you know, on a ride as stiff as this. This car has one of the stiffest suspensions I've ever, you know, ridden in, and you know, having a little bit of sidewall is good. Which is why, as long as I can have the opportunity to have these rims, I don't think I'm ever gonna get performance tires, or even the ones between the performance tires. I think they're called the sport ones or whatever. They're 19 inches, the ones that are silver, that look like these, and I'll put a picture of it. So I don't think I would even take those. I would rather have these. The car just looks better. It's a completely different look for the car. Base